CV joint stands for constant velocity joint. It's a part of your car's drive shaft system, especially in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. Basically, it allows power from the engine to be transferred to the wheels smoothly, even when you're turning or going over bumps. There are two types: the inner CV joint, closer to the transmission, and the outer CV joint, near the wheel. Inside, the CV joint is filled with special high-temperature grease that reduces friction and wear. This grease is sealed inside a rubber boot, called the CV boot. If that boot cracks or tears, the grease leaks out, and dirt or water can get in. That's bad news. It can destroy the joint over time. That's why it's important to check your CV boots regularly. If they're damaged, get them replaced before the joint itself goes bad. So that's your quick guide to CV joints and how they're lubricated. Take care of those boots and your drivetrain will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips. See you next time.